How to fix messages are missing restore now in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and then tap on the search bar. Search for Messenger application over here. And as you do that, you'll be able to see the option of open. If you have an update available, you can see the option of update, but since we do not have it, so it means we have the updated version. So we're going to go back and then launch the settings application on our device. Now scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps and search for the Messenger application over here. Now as you search for the Messenger application, tap on it and tap on the option of clear data at the bottom right corner. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now as you do that, you can just go and relaunch the application and this might help you fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.